Next up here is chapter 827 libcap 2.76. It's a very simple install, except we have to do this 3 times. So copy this, prepare, whoops, got this ready to go. 827.1 libcap x64-bit. This one runs the test suite, Zbuild, compile and install, and that's done in 2 seconds. Next up is the 32-bit libraries. Now with the M32-bit libraries, copy and paste, and it's slightly different. We still have to remove static libraries, save it out, and execute with Zbuild. Takes less than a second. And now the last X32-bit libraries. A for all, copy, control paste. It looks really good. X32 and Zbuild. Oops. Okay, let's try this again. I just took out the static libraries. Maybe that's one of the reasons. I don't know what's going on. Okay, follow up on 827 libcap 2.6. I just had to rearrange the build files here. It should be cc equals your GCC compiler and then make, as well as the same with the install. cc first and then make and then this, and then everything copies just fine right here, including the sed and the libcap. Not sure why the M32-bit libraries worked the same way here, but I guess X32 is slightly different, maybe. Or it's just the way it handles with this. Okay, now we're going to be building chapter 828, libxcrypt, version 4.4.38. This one we have to build 3 times. I've already generated the script files here. I'm just going to copy them in. 28.1. First one. See. Paste. Save that. Do the same with this one. 2. And do the same with the last one here. Getting the Control X. And number 3. Go Control Shift V. Pasting. And save this out. This, and these will be really quick. That one. Might help if I actually type the right command. Configuring, compiling. Everything looks good. Testing. The first version runs a test suite for the 64-bit version, and it's pretty standard install. Now for the M32-bit, it's still installed to the same to a different directory as usual. To M32. Oh, I should have rename those later and postfix them with ZBC. And yes, that one's installed. Oh, that's good. And number 3. This is for the X32-bit. And package successful. Next up is chapter 8.29, shadow version 4.17.4. I've created this configuration here. Control A, Control C, ready, Control paste. There's package definitions. Remove that. There's no patch. No point in having that. Prepare, required, build, install, and post is 4 programs that need to be executed, and we'll also be updating the password here of the new final system. 829 and extracting. This should only take a few minutes. It's already patched out the man pages and the cryptology. Touch the password. Compiling. it's already executed perfect in 16 seconds. We've already done this, and now we just have to enter in our password for root. And that is it for this video. Next up is a big one, GCC 15.1. This will be another big test of our full system to make sure everything works. Okay, this is our big test to see if everything works out. We're going to install chapter 8.30 GCC 15.1.0. This will also make sure that all those packages that this relies on are built properly, and we have our mlist. All three compilers. We're building all three compilers in the mlist here, M64, M32, and MX32. That's the final build for GCC 15. After this, we'll have some tests to run. Let's begin. It's going to take some time to extract it and build and test. The test suite itself could take a few hours. This has 46 system build units. So this will continue for the next few hours, so I'm going to stop the video. Okay, GCC 15.1 is now finished its building at 3 hours, 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Not too bad. It is also installed. We're just going to run a couple of scripts here to finish up the install. That which we didn't add. We're just making sure the ownership is now back from tester to root. Create some links. As well as for the man page. And the compatibility symlink. Our test suite here. Programmer interpreter. Good. Do this, and then we can run this one. So we can see we have the 3 files that are here. Second one. Log. Include looks good. Fixed. For search parameters. Dummy log. Looks good. Make sure we're using the correct libc. Attempt to open that succeeded. Yes. We have found our x86-64SO correctly. And we can move those. And finally, move this misplaced file. It says renamed. Yes. And there's our GCC 15.1 fully compiled in less than 3 hours. And we're here doing chapter 8.31 and curses 6.5. This package can be somewhat tricky because of the install procedure here. You have to install the 6.5 shared library first, remove it, then copy the rest over. So that's A, Control C, and we're also building this 3 times. This one looks, I just copied it over. I just have to make sure. Looks good. And 3 times. Let's build 6.5. And this should be really quick. It's only 0.2 SBU units. Because all of them have this dester install. And by keeping these, I'll be able to save the packages and install them on any other system. This also installs the documentation in this pass. It's running a test phase, now it's installing, and package successful, and the documentation is installed. 39 seconds. Now we're building the M32. Already have created 1.2. Already had these created. Paste has a slightly different install where we're patching some files. We'll see. And each one here for the M32-bit libraries. The full batch takes 0.2 SBU units. After this, we'll have the X32-bit. Everything looks good. I don't see any errors showing up. And desktop install over to our user lib32 directory. And now the last one. .3. Oops. Control A, Control C. So pretty much the same as the other one. The only difference is the compiler is using the -MX32. Zbuild this one. It's very similar install procedure as the M32. And we'll have 3 versions of ncurses. And looks like it will probably take all told about 90 seconds. So just under 2 minutes to do all 3 packages. Yeah, 37 seconds. Next step, we're going to be building chapter 832, Zed, which is a stream editor, version 4.9. I have already built the packages. And we're going to build 832. And this one should take very few minutes. And filing and testing right now. All, I guess, skips are just normal ones. It's pretty simple. And we're done at 50 seconds. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And if you want to catch up on me, I have a codeberg.org/TravisK. You can catch up on the Zbuild program here, which I'm using. I'm updating it. I just did it yesterday because I had to update the curl libraries. There is some simple Qt6 tutorials and simple examples I have in here. Is just creates a main window as well as an extended main window. This is a CMake list. It's just a demo of how to generate a CMake file on Linux or on any platform. And if you're using Python Meson, I have a little demo here. It is also opens a GTK4 main window. You can see it right here. And it's just very simple. It just activates the window and loads. And that's over here at codeberg.org/TravisK. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy these videos.